Faithful Instruments, Hebei Company Limited was established in 2011. Specializing in the production of laboratory equipment and medical devices, the company's products are widely used in research institutions and university laboratories both domestically and internationally. Over the past decade, the company has grown into a high-tech group enterprise integrating research and developing, production, and sales with its own renowned brand, Faithful. The company has obtained ISO 9001 Quality Management System certification and EUCE certification, ensuring the highest standards of quality and safety. Its extensive product line includes drying ovens, incubators, shakers, clean benches, artificial climate chambers, constant temperature and humidity chambers, biochemical incubators, BOD test chambers, ceramic fiber muffle furnaces, water baths, water tanks, hot plates, magnetic stirrers, heating mantles, and automatic distillers, among others. These products cater to diverse applications in scientific research, pharmaceuticals, healthcare, and industrial testing. While actively expanding its presence in the domestic market, Faithful Instruments is also committed to global market development. The company has established a robust international sales network with over 100 authorized distributors across multiple countries, including Germany, France, Poland, Russia, the Netherlands, Turkey, Japan, South Korea, Malaysia, the United States, Mexico, and Iraq. By continuously innovating and improving product quality, the company aims to strengthen its global competitiveness and provide reliable, high-performance laboratory solutions to customers worldwide. With a strong focus on technological advancement and customer satisfaction, Faithful Instruments, Hebei Company Limited is poised to become a leading player in the international laboratory equipment industry.